Telangana has given not only a leader from Kareem Nagar, it has given a leader for South India. It is Bandi Sanjay Gass. Fighter. If we can say one person in Telangana who was able to bring the BRS government down, it is Bandi Anna. As a single person who fought. Every single day he fought. In fact, Tamil Nadu, our yatra, Yen Man Yen Makkal yatra was designed based on Bandi Anna's yatra. Our team here, I came twice to Anna's yatra. Our team came to Telangana. They studied the yatra's model. Then our yatra, Yen Man Yen Makkal, was designed in Tamil Nadu. Such a great yatra which happened in Telangana. I never seen any political leader getting arrested. Every single day he is getting arrested for one or the other reason.